community. We took off yesterday. I'm sure you guys seen the charts. We're going to jump right into the meat of the potatoes of this video. We're not going to waste any time. We'll go over these price predictions from yesterday. You guys can see the charts lined up pretty accurately, but we're also going to do some comparisons with the old Pepe when it launched on Mexi on the perpetual side and with the Pepe community. All right, so if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe. A lot of you guys, we got over 36 comments on the last video. I mean, let's try to get this video to 100 likes, and that's why we got another video coming out. So yesterday, you guys know that we drew this line saying that potentially we can trade sideways. And if we look at this, and I'm not saying I'm going to be able to do this every time, that would be a lie, but this moved out and played out pretty accurately, right? Even all the way to the finish where we topped out. So we're going to put a horizontal line right there. We'll keep track of this, but I think the more important part is when we do the comparison to before the old Pepe took off and everybody tried to jump on, and our opportunity that we got lined up. But we're going to take care of this business first. I know everybody's taking a look at this right now. So let's go with the horizontal line and top out exactly where that line stopped out. So that's going to be our resistance that we're going to pay attention to. Of course, this is DeFi. It's not always going to be perfect, but we can see that this is where we got topped out. It didn't play out perfectly, but we got an opportunity to consolidate and hold on right here. And why I think that we should do something like that, not financial advice, is the comparison with the old Pepe and Pepe community. What we got going on right now, it's a huge opportunity. Now let's just jump right into it. I'm not going to waste nobody's time. So like that, you guys can see that I think people are getting out a little bit too early, and they'll see what I'm talking about right now. So this is our Pepe, right? Pepe community on Mexi. I remember when, if you guys go through my old videos before Pepe took off, the original Pepe took off, I did a video on it and I told people to watch out that it was going to take off. Go look at it and then see where it ended up. I'm giving you guys the same warning that I gave everybody back then. We are 3 days old on Pepe community perpetual. Okay, this is the important part to remember, because if we look at the spot price, it's a little bit different. This is the old Pepe. This is where I need you guys to connect the dots, read in between the lines of the opportunity we have right now. This is on the daily chart. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About 11, 12 days before that price actually started to take off. And obviously everybody jumped in. Now we look at Pepe community, which the one we are, the ones you guys smashing the like button on this video, share this video. It's going to help the YouTube algorithm. We're only on the 3rd day. Another thing, if you go to CoinMarketCap and when you hit Mexi right here, there's marketing going on for Pepe community. It's only going to take a certain amount of time that these pop-ups keep popping up when people are new to Mexi, that's incentivizing them to trade Pepe community. We're still only 3 days out compared to the original Pepe. It took, remember, this is under perpetual, because what's going to happen, the perpetual is going to kick in the FOMO. When the amount of volume starts to pump up, the same thing happened with the original Pepe. When it was just on the spot price, it wasn't that active. Now, when it switched over to perpetual, the future section, that's when the volume starting to pick up, and also the hype, the FOMO. That's what we're going to see again with Pepe community. This is the opportunity that you guys have. We're only 3 days old. This chart right now has the opportunity to hold on to these supports. We'll draw another line and see how things play out. But this is just an update video, and just showing some respect to the community that actually pulled up to that last video. Hopefully you guys can do the same again. We'll see if we can hold on to this line right here. This will be ideal for us. Then break above, come back up, and push back towards this to attack this this recent all-time high. This is going to be our resistance, but this will be a good time for us to show support. And you always want to back up that idea, besides just being the Pepe community, although that is the perfect mantra to have right now, right? But you want to back that up with kind of like what I showed you with that Mexi and the old Pepe and how long it took. Don't you want to be in early, before that, it kind of takes off like it did into the hundreds of millions and whatnot like that. So this is the opportunity that we got. We're super early even on this. So these are just some things to keep in mind before we ramp up, and 12 days out, maybe that Pepe might really take off, especially with how the crypto markets are looking. Bitcoin's back over 27K with news of the Bitcoin ETF and a lot of things like that. So we got a lot of positive things going for us. Let's share this video. I'm gonna get this video done and out so you guys can share it. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.